Hello students, greetings to you all. Hope you all are fine by God's grace. I am going to take 6th standard mathematics for you all. This is your cover page of your textbook. This page is your cover page of your textbook. In this you have 6 chapters. The first chapter is numbers. Second is introduction to algebra. Third is ratio and proportion. Fourth, geometry. Fifth, statistics. Sixth, information processing. Now we'll see the first chapter, numbers. Importance of numbers. Is it very important to know about numbers? Yes, it's important to know about numbers. For instance is nothing but an example. When you wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning, what is it? It's again a number showing 6 o'clock. Then another example, when you go to school by 8, it's again a number showing 8 in the morning. Third one, how much did you score in subjects, mathematics, Tamil or English, whichever subjects. It's again going to be a number showing 82, 90, 100, 70 likewise. So these are the numbers which we are going to use in our daily life. Next we'll see this comparing numbers. What is meant by comparing numbers? How we can compare numbers? For example, if we get answer sheets, we used to compare our marks with our friends, right? Here, yes, we are going to compare our marks with our friends, showing that you are less than me, you are more than me, we both are equal likewise. So by using this symbol, I am going to explain you. This is less than symbol, this is greater than symbol, this is equal to symbol, this is less than, greater than and equal to symbol. First question I have written here as to explain you better, 5, 4, 3, 2, and here I am comparing another number 7, 6, 8. What is it meant by? How to find out whether this is larger and this is larger? By seeing this digits. Digits means 5 is one digit, 4 is another digit, 3 is another digit. So totally we have 4 digits here. Here we have 3 digits. This 4 digit and 3 digit. So it is, which one is bigger? This 4 digit number is bigger. So I can put a symbol like this. Now second question. 8, 6, 2, 1. Here 5, 4, 9, 6. So all the 4 digits are this. In this question we have 4 digits. Here also we have 4 digits. So what do we know? How to compare which is larger or which is smaller? So we can write here as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In thousands place we have 8 here. Same way you can compare here ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So in thousands place we have 5. So here 8,000, here 5,000. Which is greater here? This one is greater. So I can put this symbol. Next one is 7, 5, 4, 3. This is also 4 digit. So here 7, 2, 9, 5. This is also 4 digit. Which one is higher? Say both here is thousands place. We have 7 here. Next we have to move on to the next digit. This is in the hundreds place. 5 is in the hundreds place. Here 2 is in the hundreds place. 500 is bigger or 200 is bigger? 500 is bigger. So I can put the symbol like this. Next question to better understanding. 6, 7, 8, 1 is given here. 6, 7, 9, 0 is given. So this is thousands place. We have both here 6,000. Hundreds place 7,000. In tens place we have 8 here, we have 9 here. Which one is greater? 8 or 9? 9 is greater. So I can put like this. Next one. 2, 5, 4, 3 is here. Same way 2, 5, 4, 3 is here. So both the values are same. 2 is in the thousands place, same way 2. 5 is in the hundreds place, both the places 5. Both the tens place we have 4, both the ones place we have 3. So I can put this symbol as equal to symbol. This is how we have to compare and find out the answer. By showing how many rules? First we need to check whether the digits are equal or not. If digits are mismatching, we can easily find out. Next we have to go with the place value. ones, tens, 100,000, and you have to check whether thousands place is bigger, means you can easily find out. Then thousands are same, you can find out with the hundreds place. Then hundreds are same, you can find out with the tens place. Likewise, you can check it out. That's all about comparing numbers. Next we have successor. What is meant by successor? Successor means you are going to succeed. You are going to move one step ahead. That means successor means we are going to move one step ahead. Likewise, in numbers, we are going to add one number. When one is added to a number, any number, we get its successor. For example, 1 is there. 1 plus 1 is 2. Likewise, we are going to step one more number to be a successor. Here I have written one example. 999 plus 1. I have added one number. 999 plus 1 is what? What is the number? It is 1000. So we are stepping one more to be a successor. It is succeed. See. Next we are going to see predecessor. What is meant by predecessor? Predecessor means we are moving one step back. We are moving one step back means in number we are going to subtract one number from any number. When one is subtracted from a number, we get its predecessor. So here I have taken example 8970 minus 1. Predecessor means we have to subtract one number. If 8970 minus 1 means what? 8969 is the answer. If we subtract one number, it is said to be a predecessor. If we add one number, it is said to be a successor. Next, we are going to see a formation of large number. For this, I am going to take your textbook to understand better. This is your textbook page of formation of large number. Right. Formation of large number. What is formation of large number? You all know what is single digit numbers, what is double. Single digit number starts from 0 to 9. Right. See here 0 to 9. 9 is the greatest single digit number. In single digit number, 9 is the greatest. 0 is the smallest digit number, smallest single digit number. 9 is the greatest single digit number. If you add one number to this 9, it's equal to 10. What is the 10? 10 is the double digit number. See, 10 is the 1 and 2 digit number. 2 digit number, smallest 2 digit number is 10 here. Smallest 2 digit number is 10. We can see again. Greatest 2 digit number starts from 10 and end by 99. 99 is the greatest 2 digit number. If you add one number to the 99, we get smallest 3 digit number as 100. 100 is the first 3 digit number, right? 99 is the 2 digit number. If you add one number, it shows smallest 3 digit number. It is a 100. Next, we will see greatest 3 digit. 3 digit number starts from 100 and end by 999. So, greatest 3 digit number is 999. If you add one thing, you will get a smallest 4 digit. What is smallest 4 digit? Is 1000. Clear? 4 digit number starts from 1000. Right? So, 1000 plus 1. You have to add it. You have to add. 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number. Next, greatest 4 digit is what? Greatest 4 digit is 9999. If you add one number, you will get a smallest 5 digit number. That means what? 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5 digit number. Next is the greatest 5 digit number. What is greatest 5 digit number? Tell me. Greatest 5 digit number is, tell me, 5 types of 5 of 9. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 99,999. If you add one number, you will get a lakh, 1 lakh. That means it's the smallest 6-digit number. Likewise, you have to send the assignment of from greatest 1 digit to smallest 2 digit, from greatest 10 digit. From here to greatest 10 digit number, you have to write greatest 7 digit, 8 digit, 9 digit and 10 digit, and likewise you have to write smallest 9 digit, smallest 10 digit. I am going to include these 2 more columns as an assignment, and you have to submit it to me, and I'll send you through WhatsApp these questions. Exercise 1.1 we have smallest 7 digit number. These things you have to find out. I'll send you these questions through WhatsApp, children, to understand you, to do the assignment as your homework. Thank you, children. Be safe. Stay at home.